Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure both devices have power and the accessory is in pairing mode. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth, or quicker, swipe to Control Center and enable Bluetooth there. You want the iPhone actively searching, so stay on that screen. This lets the phone display nearby devices. Once the accessory shows up, you'll be ready to pair. Make sure to keep the accessory close, because distance can prevent the initial handshake and slow the connection. You tap the accessory name when it appears under other devices. That initiates pairing. If a PIN or code appears, enter it on the iPhone or the accessory. This secures the link. Once you see Connected, test the accessory right away so you confirm audio, controls, or data transfer work. If you plan to use it often, iOS will remember it. Make sure to label or note which accessory is which if you have many, because identical names can cause confusion. You finalize by selecting the accessory for audio or input via Control Center. This ensures sound routes correctly. If connection fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the accessory, or move closer. Small fixes solve most problems. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, tap the info icon next to the device, choose Forget this device, and then repair. This clears stale settings. One key tip: check for software updates on both devices, because mismatched firmware often causes repeat pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.